Creating a separate appointment calendar in Google Calendar is a straightforward process that can be useful for those running an online business. By doing so, you can integrate your Google Calendar with various customer relationship management (CRMs) tools and share only your appointment calendar, rather than your entire calendar, which may include personal events. To start, log into your Google Calendar and navigate to the home screen, which may be set up to display a weekly, daily, or monthly view. To create an appointment-only calendar, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars on the left side of the screen. Then select Create New Calendar from the drop-down menu. You can then name your new calendar, such as Appointment Calendar, or segment it by the source of the appointments, like Instagram appointments or YouTube appointments. You can also add a description and change the time zone if needed. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Create Calendar to process your request. After creating your appointment calendar, you can view it alongside your other calendars. If you have multiple calendars set up, you can easily toggle between them by checking the boxes next to each calendar name. This allows you to focus on your appointments and hide other events. When integrating your Google Calendar with CRM software, you can choose to share only your appointment calendar, ensuring that personal events remain private. When creating a new event, be sure to select the correct calendar from the drop-down menu to ensure it is added to your appointment calendar. By following these steps, you can easily set up an appointment calendar in Google Calendar and keep your appointments organized and separate from other events.